Very good morning and warm welcome to another episode of A Pulse to A Plus, the education channel. Today let's have an English activity. Come on, let's go to the worksheet.
Dear students, here is a worksheet for you. See, this is a word puzzle. See, let's read it. A word is made of letters, but mere letter alone will not constitute words. Even single letter can also be a word. For example, I, A are single lettered words. So, what's a word? A word is a group of letters having a clear meaning, can be termed as a word. So, already you have got the idea about word. So, that's our puzzle here. Now, let's go to what the puzzle is about. Now, let's have a word puzzle here. Some of the jumbled letters are given in the box. You have to frame a word using these letters and go to the next page until you complete all. Okay, let's see instructions and examples in the next sheet. You see, this is our next page. This is a trial page for you. See, some examples are given here. You can go through these examples first, then you can do the next. See, first of all, ATREH is given here. So the answer is also given using this ATRH. The word earth is made and they have given well done. Like this, some more are given here. See, THANPALE. Then Pele. We can read it, but such a word is not there. So using these letters, you have to make a word. Can you make a word? Okay, let's write like this. Elephant. Elephant is the word. Then you enter elephant there, then you will get well done. Now, next one is the word is Rahmat is given there, but such a word is not that exists. So, the actual word is mother. We enter mother there, then we will get well done. Now we have got an idea about the puzzle. Now let's go to the next page. For here we are. Okay, see, from here onwards our activity is beginning. See, activity 1, 3 letters. You can see 3 letters here. You can see some jumbled letters in each box. Try to make a word using these letters and enter them in the green boxes under each. Get ready. Okay, that's the instruction given. Now you are going to answer this. ATC is the first letters given. Using these 3 letters, we can make a 3-letter word. What is it? Yes, cat is the word. Can you say any other word using this? Yes. Now let's see. Well done is given here. Now let's try another example, another answer for this one. Act is another word. Then we also it is correct. So suppose we are writing any other TSC, then what will be the result? You see, try again is the result. So the actual answer is cat or act. Now let's come to the next one. What is the answer? Pen. Yes, pen is the answer. We are entering pen here. Now you will get it. Well done. Now next one is man. Man, M-A-N is added. Now you got well done dear. The next one is, you can say, yes, win is the answer. Now using THO, what can we make? See, hot. What is the word? Now we are coming to next TKI. Kit is the word. Then you see PTU. Put. Yes, put is the answer here. We have to enter the answer here itself in the green column itself. PUT. Put. Then last one, who can say yes, Cry is the answer. CRY. Cry. Now you see, you have been congratulated here. You have been given 24 marks. Now we have completed 8 tasks here. So each task carries 3 marks, that is 24 marks total. Now you have got the total marks of 20. And let's go to the score page now. Here you can see we have got 24 marks here. Suppose you are losing one, how will be the mark? We have to get how many marks? 21 marks. See, we can see 21 marks here. That's all about it. The worksheet is about all this. Here you can see activity number 2. 4 letters are given. See, we are doing the first one here. We are only giving the same is the answer. Now well done is given. How many marks we are going to get? 4 marks. 4 letters, 4 marks. We are going to the next activity now. We are doing only the first activities of each one as a model. Now let's go to the activity 3. Here the letters are 5. Now the answer for this one is mouse. We enter here. See, well done. How many marks? 5 marks, 5 letters. Then let's go to the next one, 6 letters. See, here the answer is weight. We enter here weight in the green column so as to get weight. The well done is given. Now 6 letters constitute 6 marks also. Now let's go to the next activity, that is activity number 5. Here the answer is support. We enter here support in the green box. Now how many marks we are going to get? 7 letters, 7 marks. Now let's go to activity number 6, that is 8 letters. Here the answer is resources. Resource. See, how many marks we are going to get? 8 marks. Now let's go to the next one. Here 9 letters. Here the answer is butterfly. We enter here butterfly so as to get the marks. Well done is given. 9 marks is also given. Now we are going to the next one, 10th sheet. That is 10 letters here. We are doing the first one here also. Examination is the word here. We enter here examination. Okay, we get 10 marks here. So we have completed one each from each activities. So let's look the score sheet now. You see, this is the score sheet. Okay, we are going to wind up. Before that, we can go through the score sheet once more. Here is our score sheet. You can see here the first activity we have got 24 out of 20, but the remaining activities we have appeared only 1. So our marks is 4, 2, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 respectively. See, the total marks is given here, and our mark is given here. Now let's see, our total mark is 73 out of 460. So now grade and now performance level is given here. Now suppose we have got 400 marks. What will be the C? A grade and 10 stars will be given. Now try to get it anyhow. So that's all about this worksheet. Now if you want to get the answer here, then you go to trial sheet again. Then here is a space where you have to enter key here. See, key here. Then you will get answer key here. Click here. Then we will reach again in the performance page where you can see the answer from activity 1 to last. All the 8 answers will be appearing here. Then that's all about this one. You may go on this one like this. Then in order to get the worksheet, comment under this site so as to get you the link regarding. That's all about this worksheet. Thank you for watching.
Let's wind up the session today. If it was useful, subscribe, like, share and bell icon. I am hereby signing off. Thank you for watching.